ईरानी विदेश मंत्री ने एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहा, ईरान अपनी रक्षा करना जानता है। हमने अमेरिका के साथ शांति समझौता पर साइन किए थे, लेकिन अमेरिका पीछे हट गया। अपनी संप्रभुता की रक्षा करना हमला नहीं बल्कि एक कर्तव्य है। आइए आपको सुनाते हैं ईरानी रक्षा को लेकर ईरान के विदेश मंत्री ने क्या कुछ कहा।
Mr. Minister, the U.S. President Donald Trump warned that Iran must now make peace, otherwise the future attacks, he says, will be far greater and much easier. So how is Tehran responding to that threats from Washington? Thank you.
I think it's not up to Iran to respond to that. The whole international community should respond of such a clear threat against the United Nations Charter. Iran has done nothing wrong. We do not understand why Iran should be attacked for a false accusation that Iran is seeking nuclear weapons. It's now more than 20 years that we are trying to prove that our peaceful nuclear program is in fact peaceful and would remain peaceful. We negotiated for a long time with the so-called P5+1, and we came to a deal which the whole world celebrated as an achievement of diplomacy. And then it was the US who withdrew from that deal and reimposed their sanctions and restarted their threats. Again, we were negotiating with the same administration. Then all of a sudden they decided to attack us, first by Israelis, then by themselves. And now they are threatening us for more attacks. So it's not up to Iran, but it's up to the international community to condemn this, to prevent this. Otherwise, there would be nothing left for the international law, for the security at the world level. The Security Council should play its role, should play its responsibility to condemn and prevent these kind of threats. We will certainly defend our interests. We will certainly defend our territorial integrity, our sovereignty, and our people. And I'm so glad that our people are now fully understand what injustice they are doing against the Iranian people. They are united and in solidarity with the government, and they stand firm against any aggression.
Next.